In this video, I'm about to show you how to cancel your Rask AI subscription. First, navigate to Google Chrome browser on your PC. On Google, search for Rask AI in the provided search bar. Now, reach the first Rask AI website as shown here. Once on the website, click on Login provided at the top. After that, sign up Google or add your email. Select the Continue with Google option and choose the Google account. Then select your role from the drop-down menu. Go to the next question and choose the content you're creating. Once selected, go to the next question and tell the source where you hear about it. Then go to the next question and you can stay updated by clicking yes. Here you can click View Plans to see the plan offered by Rask AI. The pricing to upgrade your plan's Rask AI is $50 for creators, $120 for Creators Pro, $600 for Business, and $900 for Enterprise. You can chat with them. You can easily cancel a plan that you've already upgraded. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.